大家好 Welcome back to Learning Chinese. I'm Mia. Welcome to yet another episode of Walking with Me. Okay, so I see the green light. Let's first cross the street first. Then I'll tell you about the weather today and the typhoon and stuff. Right, already crossed that street. So today's the second day after that typhoon Dusuri has hit the southern parts of China. And we are having a very windy day again. It's 6:30 now, temperature 28 degrees, humidity 80%, windy. The sunset will be at around 7 p.m. So let's walk and also waiting for the sunset at the same time. Oh, I see many beautiful clouds. Let's switch the angle. There we go. Wow. That golden setting sun with lots of clouds. This is a beef noodle place. Okay. Masterpiece. This is the composition of the clouds. I really love this complexity. Food vendor. This is a 小区, so like a residential area. This is a pharmacy store, 药店. This is a printing store. This is a little supermarket. Hey. Let's keep on walking. Clouds are definitely moving. And wow, that golden blitz. And that contrast of colors between the boundary marginal places and the central places of a cloud. Cool. And these clouds are also lit by the setting sun and appear with slight yellow color with a tinge of orange. Oh, incredible. Look at this view. Okay, let's cross the street. It's getting a bit more windier. Cicadas. So nice to walk under the shades. I feel a kind of tranquility, although the cars are still passing by. The noise is actually not reduced, but your senses are altered somehow. And in summer, the lush green color of trees are really showing a lot of vitality. And gives out positive energy. Here are many restaurants, little eateries at this side of the street. I see some 干锅, some 牛肉汤馆, some 烧烤, some 川菜. Yeah, so 烧烤 means barbecue, 川菜 means Sichuanese food. 牛肉汤馆 is a place for beef soup. Wow. Sunset clouds. Actually, all day the sky was quite gloomy. Maybe not like gray gloomy, It's just pale, like white color. You don't see this blue color actually, but yeah. I think from maybe 5 p.m. the blue is starting to appear again. And now Glen sunset. Early. So here I'm actually passing by another 小区, another residential area. You can see some little stands selling clothes on the right side. And the 卤菜 is like a braised food. On the left side, also a few food cars, food vendors selling some snacks. Oh, here, square dancing. Wow. And now I'm really close to the sunset. Just windy as that, but it feels so nice to be at the gate of the 小区 and see how people are enjoying themselves, relaxing, just chilling at this dinner, or maybe for some already post dinner time. For example, for the square dancers, I think they already finished eating supper. Sky is gradually getting darker. The orange brightness is fading out. And now I see some pink tints. At the margins of the clouds. Thin seams, thin intervals of brightness between the gray clouds. Pink again. Way. Okay, now all the warm tones have disappeared, and the street lights are on. The sky, gray, blue, white. Stormy, sea-ish texture. I'd like to finish this episode with this view, with these beautiful clouds. So thanks for watching Irene Chinese. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye!